You look so young today. How is going everything?
Yeah, quite busy now.
Quite busy? For what?
Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, sure.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So actually, the business is not so busy in terms of selling.
Oh,
Yeah, we are just like busy of grooming.
okay, I understand.
Yeah,
So,
but selling products, toys, food is not so hurry, not so busy.
okay, so what do you think? Is there available awareness of this product, or the people don't interested to buy those product from not only Pyky but also other suppliers? Are they purchase those from any other suppliers?
I think now here is they bought they buy products from Walmart and Superstore almost.
Okay, so those are really giant company.
Actually, this is like a supermarket,
Yeah, I understand the
really big
Walmart. Yeah,
supermarket.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
Walmart.
they aren't our competitor. but but you have to make the long term vision about compete with them. Like you have to make some offer for selling your
Mhm.
product. Especially you definitely have to uh, ensure your quality of the product, any kind of
Mhm.
product such as toys or any kind of food items, pet
Mhm.
care food items. Also you have to make sure you should sell those product much affordable than others. Ensuring those things, you have to market your product. For instance, if you know the product quality and your pricing are not high than other, but the people don't know that you are selling those, so how do
Mhm.
people purchase them? So you have to market those product efficiently, like any like a lot of social platform like Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, the product SEO, specific product SEO, so that whenever you make sure your product quality and affordable pricing, and after that customer know that you are selling those product affordable and make sure that their quality is ensured, they will definitely
Mhm.
buy from you instead of purchasing from Walmart or other competitor. If I suggest you one thing, like you can make a bundle package of grooming, so that
Mhm.
you already said me that your grooming customers are a lot of customers audience you have. So whenever you make a bundle like pet grooming plus a pet toy. So if you make a bundle package this product, if you make this and sell to your customer, so whenever they want to make a package, they want to purchase a single product like single thing like grooming, they instead of them in that, so
Mhm.
they will definitely buy your package.
Mhm.
If you ensure the package quite helpful for them, or they will be benefited from, if they purchase the package, they will much benefited while a single purchase like grooming. So
Mhm. Yeah.
I think it's a good idea for your selling your product initially. I also suggest you a new model like subscription model. If you
Mhm.
make those product like subscription wise product sales,
Mhm.
so whenever you sell those product to your customers, and not they are your customer, they also one time customer, they will be convert to your repeated customer. And whenever you let them know and make them a returning customer, you don't have to think about your monthly headache, or you don't have to think about any other hassle. So you have a targeted audience, you can make an audience. So returning customer, you can make a subscription type selling point or selling package. So it would be beneficial for you, also your customers.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I think those two or three ideas would be helpful for you. And after that, if you have a certain amount of targeted audience, after that you should market your product individually, and you have to make sure definitely your product are affordable than others, and your product have good quality. And after ensuring that, you have to marketize like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing. And after making after let them your customer aware about those product, they will definitely buy your toy and buy your product like pet foods, any kind of foods.
Okay, I will take note that one.
Yeah, you should take note.